application of today's message is not to go back and try harder. This is an invitation to walk with the Spirit. When He comes and He enlightens you with truth, you read, you hear, you experience truth, that it will expose the darkness. And that you will take that in conversation to God, and your mind is being renewed in conversation with God. And that He comes to highlight the idols in your life and you throw them before His feet and you start living your true life in the light of His glory and of His grace in front of God and in front of people.